Hi there everyone, welcome back to Javascript tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be learning about data types in Javascript. There are two data types in Javascript, the primitive data types and a reference data type. In primitive data types, we have number, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol. And in reference data types, we have object, date, and there are many more in reference data types. In primitive, we have number, integer, floating point value, decimal point value, everything comes under number. And a sequence of character which is string, and true or false value comes under boolean. Null means which is an empty value, and undefined means the variable is not yet assigned a value. And in EN6 there is new data types which is symbol. First of all, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means there is no need to define the type of the variable. Types are associated with this value. There is no need to specify types. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, whereas C, C++, Java is a statically typed language. Let me tell you about data types, giving you an example. Number. Let age equals 18. Console.log age, save it. It will give me 18. And if I give it a floating point value, age equals 18.5, and save it, it will give me floating point value. Next is string. Let name equals John. Now if I save it and console.log name, it will give me name. A string should be within double quote or single quote. Okay. It may be in double quote or single quote or backslash. Right? Use string equals console.log is give it false. False. And the next type is undefined. Undefined means the variable is not yet assigned a value. Right? Fname is equals legend. Let fname equals semicolon. And if I console.log fname, it is showing me undefined. It means that the value is not assigned. And next type is null. Null means that the variable is empty. Right? Equals null. Console.log it will give me null value. Next is reference type. Reference type. Let me define an array. Let const arr equals array of 1, 2, 3, and if I console.log arr, it will give me 1, 2, 3. Now see this, you are not getting any whether it is an object or not. So there is a special operator to know the type of the variable, that is type of operator. Type of ARR. Now there is no output. We need to write this inside console.log. Now if I save it, it will give me object. Therefore, in JavaScript, arrays are considered as object. In JavaScript, everything is behaving as object. You should keep that in mind. If I create a date object on today equals date console.log today. It will give me today's date. If I want to know the type of console.log today, it will give me an object. Therefore, date is an object and arrays is also an object. Now, type of operator can be used to know the type of the variable. Right? Type of age gives me number. Type of name gives me object. Type of only name gives me string value. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Next video we will be learning about strings and methods used in strings. See you guys in the next video.